So this is Jim and Ben with DC Digital, and today we're demonstrating a DC-40T-UP-TERM, and this has a Andon light, a multicolored Andon light attached to it, and a remote, wired remote handheld controller, and also two remote. One remote is for reset and start, and the other remote is for stop. And the remote for the reset and start is going to be supplied by the customer. So this is one we have that we've set up just for demonstration purposes. And this is to stop the timer up process. And then the remote for the setting of the threshold of the Andon light, and to set the when this Andon light's going to turn on, to give you indication you reach the threshold that the customer has set. So you have start, stop, you have reset. You can reset the actual timer itself and the threshold, set hours, minutes, and seconds. And this says set green. We have for green light that the customer has requested. That's the color they want to use to indicate the threshold. And then also we have inside, I wanted to show you how it all wires up. The remote set switch wires up to this modular, where I have it, modular jack. You bring it in through either the side or the back, or either side. Those are 7/8 inch knockouts for 1/2 inch conduit. We have terminal block on the back for your stop switch, and then for your reset and start switch. To hang it, you have these 4x4 mounting holes, or a 2x4 electrical box mounting holes, or you can knock out these keyholes to hang it also. And then for power, we have a 2.1 millimeter coaxial plug on the side with a wall adapter, and all that comes with it. So you need a 120 volt outlet to operate it. So I'm going to have Ben explain the operations of how to set it and start it, and take you through the functions of the count up timer.
Okay. So on the remote, there is our standard controls for a T-up, start, stop, and reset. And then to set the threshold of the green light value, you hit the set green button. The green light will come on, and the display will start to blink. And I've already set it once before to 10 seconds, but we'll go ahead and reset that to 0. You can set hours. You press it once to start it, and it'll count up. You press it again to stop it. Set minutes the same way. And then you can also set seconds, and it'll shift over and show you minutes and seconds while you're doing that. And then it'll come back and show you hours and minutes. When you've got a threshold set, and we'll go back and set it for 10 seconds. You hit the set green light again to cancel set mode. And now you're back in start, stop mode, or run mode. You can hit the start button to start it. It is a shift digit, so right now it's showing tenths and hundredths seconds, and it'll shift over at the first minute to,
And there's the light comes on,
there's the light at 10 seconds,
indicating your process has reached its point of timing.
right?
So you can start and stop it here.
Yep. And you
Okay.
can reset it.
Okay.
And then if you can do that side,
So go ahead and show them the
or you can
push buttons over here.
This is the machine contact, so this one will reset and start. And if I hit it again, you'll see that it resets the time and starts it from 0. And this one stops it if they need to stop it for any reason. And this one resets and starts. And again, when it reaches the threshold, green light comes on, lets them know their cycle's complete. They can come over.
Green light comes on. But the nice thing about this is that they know that at 10 seconds the green light comes on, and they've gone 10 seconds too far or too long, or it's gone this much more past their threshold that they've set it for. And that's what gives us this, when you do this count up timer, it gives them that effect and that timing, that extra timing. And in essence, it gives you a full range of awareness. Yeah, so anyways, this is Jim and Ben with DC Digital, and this is a DC-40T-UP-TERM that's been modified, or it's been custom made for this specific customer to give you threshold indicator, a green light threshold indicator at a specific time during the count up process. Thank you.